Just received my Boair air filter. Haven't taken it out of the box yet. This one's 30 by 36 by 2. Let's open it up, see what we got. So the filter was inside of that box, which was inside of that bubble wrap, which was inside of that bag. And the filter looks like it's in good shape. Somebody stepped on the box, even though there's a huge red fragile on the box. So here is some information about our new electrostatic air filter. This one has 5 layers of protection on it. You can see it's a sturdy frame. Gosh, it's so much better than a paper filter. It's actually metal. It looks like they've riveted the sides together. Give you guys another good look at the filter before I put it in. See, looks like very good quality. I'm impressed with the craftsmanship. There's a little bunching of the material right there, but I don't think that's going to make any difference. And the reason I did this is those disposable filters are like 40 bucks a piece, whereas I found this permanent one on Amazon for right at $100. These are also on eBay, I noticed. So they got the measurements dead on when I gave them, and I took a tape measure and actually measured every side of this filter, and then also the width. And they get the width just right too. Let's check the other side. Oh yeah, spot on job. Alright, so we're in here ready to install it. They've actually included the airflow label, which is good. I've got it ready to go in here. Also, I noticed on the sheet, this is a 30-day filter. Vacuum the filter, and you can also rinse it with water from the opposite direction of the airflow. So let's go ahead and stick it in. Alright, so the filter's in. You see, this was the gap that was left before, which is I'm assuming normal, since that was what was in the original filter. And the vertical parts where it touches is perfect. There's virtually no give right there. Alright, let's let a cycle run and pull it out and see if we've got any fabric pulled out or anything like that. Alright, so the unit is just kicking off. Just a little air moving through the return. Let's pull this out and see what happened. Well, it did suck it over, so it is doing something. Boy, this thing's tight to get my fingers in here. I guess that's why they left the gap. Alrighty. Looking good. Yep. Looks good. Alrighty. Let's just put it back in. There will be a link in the description to this filter. The description is right below the video. Don't forget to click the like button, guys. It's about right there. Helps me out a lot. Motivates me to make more videos for you all. And thank you again.